Yeah. The thing we missed was repeating.
So on the boat it will be me and my husband. I'm Caroline Tallqvist and this is my husband.
Magnus Tallqvist, both from Sweden, just outside Stockholm.
So we will be the main crew, and then occasionally we will bring as many of our friends as we can.
And hopefully our kids sometimes as well.
We are very excited to have chosen the new 52 model. It seems to be the perfect size for us.
And also it's a little sister of the 55, which have a very, very nice design, more modern and all of that. So we're really excited about that. We started really chartering catamarans for quite many years ago, so we've been doing 2 weeks on them for a while. And charter catamarans, they are very nice, but it's a lot of engine hours. They don't sail very well. It's nice when you are at anchor, but moving around is not really their thing. And they are not made for blue water cruising either. So then we started to look, okay, we want to do something blue water, what should we go? And then we found Outremer as one of the major brands for that. What's really important for us is the performance, and that's not speed, but it's rather to be able to sail in low winds, so low engine hours, all of that. Of course, speed can be good in some cases, but it's more normally no engine and that part. So that is really the focus point.
We really love the sailing part, and with no motor sound. It's so beautiful when it's all silent around you. It has been fascinating to work with Outremer in preparing the boat and making all the decisions for the configurations. We have been having weekly meetings with Outremer and have been very well coached and guided through all the decisions we have to make. So, and also now, since it's a newer boat, it's also been very interesting to be part of the discussions from the design office and seeing all the decisions and choices that have to be made.
And I think to add to that, Outremer Week also has classes that you really need to attend, like electronics, for instance, where you have a actual walkthrough of the different options, what it means, the pros and cons and all that. So I think that's also an addition to, you need to do some of these classes before you make a decision. But we have got very, very good support on this. Also on things we never thought we had to know about.
And I have to say the level of the competence of the people that have been instructors on the classes have been amazing. If it had been about medicine training or weather forecasting, it's been really, really good knowledge transfers. Yeah.
Getting number one, I feel very good about it. It's kind of both a little bit scary but very exciting. But also, I really completely trust Outremer in that sense. They are making a good boat, they care, and that is one of the strengths actually of Outremer as well. They do listen, they want to talk to you directly as a customer. It's not sign and goodbye. You are an active part of the whole project. So I feel very well about that.
And of course we did talk about the person who had the first 55, and he was very happy about his process as well, and that calmed us.
Yes, he did. The expectations of the 52, I think it's going to be part one, of course, a very good sailing boat, but it's also going to be a very good liveaboard boat with good social areas. It's more spacious than the historical 51. You have the whole steering part. You can stand under the roof if it's bad weather, still steering. You don't have to be outside, not even to trim the sails and things like that. All can be done from the cockpit. So I think that's going to be really, really good. And it's more spacious inside. You have more storage than the 51, which can be a little bit crammed, even though it's bigger than the 45. But I think all of that makes it a very, very nice boat. I think the whole journey that Outremer also with the rally, you have a current rally right now, is a very nice thing of doing. You're a similar group of boats, similar type of crews, even though you are from multiple countries. I don't know how many, 15 countries I think it was, something like that now. So doing the future rallies with that I think will be a very, very nice way of exploring and circumnavigate the whole world. Definitely.
That's high on our wish list.
We need to learn the boat and need to understand how to use it. Of course, we need to quit work first, which will take a while, but once that's done, then we definitely want to do that.
Great, thank you. Perfect.
We are
No
very
problem.
happy with you, so.
Yeah.